Hi guys, this video is recording by my bro. This is the number one best of the video of this laptops for the how to upload the website in your laptops or personal computers. If you want to block this websites, you can see the process of my recorded my bro videos. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like and subscribe my channels and share with your friends. Please don't forget to watch this full video, and if you watch this full videos you got the knowledge of how to do. Let's showing your process. So thanks.
Swag Online Tech. Today I'll be teaching you. Today I'll be showing you how to block website from your PC. As you are parents, you want to be able to. You will be taking care of your children, and you will be allowing your children not to go out of the sites which they don't want to serve. So let's get started. I will be showing you how to block the site using your localhost script. First I will show you opening the Facebook when it is unblocked. Let's get started. Here you can see the Facebook page is opening. Let's begin our process. Open your notepad, go to file, open, go to this PC, local disk C, Windows, navigate to Windows System 32, then navigate to driver, then you will find here the etc folder inside driver folder. Open it. You will find here nothing, no item match your search. Click here and go for the all files. Click your hosts and open it. Copy this one, scroll up below and paste it here. Give a space and enter the site which you are gonna block it. Go to file, save. You will be click to all files, select this, click on yes. You have saved your file. Refresh it. You will find nothing changes here. For your changes, close this browser, reopen your browser. Here you will find you have successfully blocked your website in your PC. Let's try on the YouTube too. You will be able to see here the YouTube main page. Copy this again. Paste it here. Give a space. Type the www.youtube.com. Again save it. Close your browser. Reopen your browser. Type youtube.com. You will be unable to access this YouTube and Facebook. In order to re-access these two websites, that's the Facebook and YouTube, you need to remove this from your local host and save it. See here, now you can re-access your blocked site which you had already blocked using your host file, and and now you are seeing this main menu. Thanks for watching.